Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log out other devices from your IMO account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and that you have the IMO app downloaded on your device. Once you've made sure of all those things, open up the IMO app. Once you're on the home or the chat page of the IMO app, on the top left corner of your screen you'll see this account icon. Go ahead and click on it, which will open up a menu on your screen. Now on this menu, click on this settings option. Once you click on the settings option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, click on the account and security option. After you click on the account and security option, you'll be further guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll see the manage devices option. Go ahead and click on it, which will guide you to another page and show you the devices which are logged into your IMO account. Now to remove the devices, just simply click on this delete button on the side of the device and then confirm it by clicking on the delete button again. Now the IMO app will send you a verification code on your phone to delete your account. So click on this OK button, which will guide you to another page. Wait for the code to be sent to you. After the IMO app sees that you're using your own device, it will automatically fill the code and then the device you want it to be logged out will be automatically logged out. I hope this video helped you to log out devices from your IMO app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.